Have you ever wondered how the arguments at home might be shaping your child's future? Family conflicts may seem like a normal part of life, but their impact on a child's brain, emotions, and development runs deeper than we often realize. What might feel like just a heated moment between parents could be silently influencing your child's mental health for years to come. From heightened stress levels to emotional insecurity, the effects can be profound and long lasting. How it affects a child's brain. Heightened stress levels. When children witness frequent family arguments, their bodies respond by releasing excessive cortisol, the stress hormone. This sustained stress response puts their developing brains in a constant fight-or-flight mode. Over time, this can impair the hippocampus, which is crucial for memory and learning, and the prefrontal cortex, responsible for reasoning and impulse control. Prolonged exposure to high stress can also weaken the immune system, leaving the child more vulnerable to illnesses. Delayed cognitive development. A toxic home environment marked by constant arguments interrupts a child's ability to focus and learn effectively. Stress from family conflicts can lead to difficulties in attention and concentration, causing a decline in academic performance. Neural pathways associated with critical thinking and creativity might not develop as robustly, resulting in slower cognitive growth. Over time, this can widen the gap between their potential and their actual achievements. Impact on emotional regulation. Family conflicts overactivate the amygdala, the brain region responsible for processing emotions like fear and anger. This overactivation creates a heightened emotional sensitivity in children, making them more prone to intense emotional outbursts or withdrawal. They may struggle to calm themselves during stressful situations, leading to a lifelong pattern of difficulty managing their emotions in personal and professional settings. Difficulty in social skills. Exposure to constant conflict disrupts the development of the prefrontal cortex, which governs social behaviors. Children raised in a hostile environment may mirror the conflict-driven interactions they see at home, struggling to resolve disagreements peacefully or empathize with others. This often results in strained relationships with peers, teachers, and later in life, colleagues and partners. Increased risk of mental health issues. Continuous exposure to family arguments can create long-term structural changes in the brain, such as a reduced size of the hippocampus and altered neural connections in the prefrontal cortex. This biological impact makes children more vulnerable to mental health disorders like anxiety, depression, and even post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD. They may grow up with an elevated baseline of stress, always anticipating conflict, which can persist into adulthood. Impaired sleep patterns. The emotional turmoil caused by family disputes often leads to sleep disturbances in children. They may experience difficulty falling asleep, frequent nightmares, or waking up in the middle of the night feeling anxious. Sleep deprivation further affects brain development, reducing the ability to retain information, focus, and regulate emotions. Long-term sleep issues can also lead to health problems like obesity and weakened immunity. How it affects a child's emotions. Fear and insecurity. Children depend on their families for safety and stability. Frequent arguments shatter this sense of security, making children feel unsafe in their own homes. They might live in constant fear of another fight breaking out, leading to an anxious, hypervigilant state. Over time, this fear manifests as trust issues, making it difficult for them to form healthy relationships outside the family. Guilt and self-blame. Many children internalize family conflicts, believing they are somehow responsible for the fights. This self-blame creates a deep sense of guilt, which can weigh heavily on their emotional well-being. They may become overly self-critical, constantly striving for perfection to avoid being a burden to their family, which can result in low self-esteem and depression. Emotional numbness. In extreme cases, children may cope with frequent family disputes by emotionally shutting down. This emotional detachment protects them from the pain of the conflict but also makes it difficult for them to express or process their feelings. This coping mechanism can persist into adulthood, leading to challenges in forming deep emotional connections. Aggression or rebellion. Exposure to conflict can lead some children to mimic the aggressive behaviors they witness, expressing their frustrations through anger and rebellion. They may act out in school or at home, engaging in risky behaviors as a way to cope or draw attention to their distress. Without intervention, this can escalate into more severe behavioral issues. Loss of empathy. A child exposed to ongoing arguments may develop a desensitized view of others' emotions. Witnessing a lack of empathy among family members can result in an inability to understand or care about others' feelings, which can hinder their emotional intelligence and social relationships. How to overcome the impact? Plan and prepare. Parents and caregivers should model constructive ways to resolve conflicts, such as open communication, active listening, and compromise. Teaching children that disagreements can be resolved peacefully helps them develop healthier approaches to handling conflicts in their own lives. Therapeutic support. Enrolling children in therapy or counseling can provide them with a safe space to process their emotions. A trained therapist can teach coping mechanisms, such as mindfulness and emotional regulation, to mitigate the effects of family conflicts on their mental health. Creating a safe environment. It's crucial to ensure that children feel secure and supported, regardless of family disagreements. This can be achieved by setting consistent routines, offering reassurance, and showing unconditional love. Stability at home is vital for rebuilding their sense of safety. Encouraging open communication. Allowing children to express their feelings about family arguments can help them feel heard and validated. Encouraging honest discussions in a non-judgmental setting fosters emotional resilience and reduces the burden of unspoken fears or guilt. Spending quality time together. Family arguments often overshadow positive interactions. Prioritizing quality time, such as family meals or shared hobbies, helps rebuild trust and strengthen family bonds. Positive experiences can offset the negative effects of past conflicts. Teaching emotional regulation. Parents can help children manage their emotions by teaching them techniques like deep breathing, journaling, or engaging in creative outlets like art or music. These tools can empower children to cope with stress healthily and productively. Reducing exposure to arguments. Whenever possible, avoid arguing in front of children. If a conflict arises, ensure that it's resolved calmly and quickly. Shielding children from prolonged exposure to hostility reduces their stress levels and prevents long-term psychological damage.